Happy Wednesday morning to everybody in PED 118. I just wanted to go over the assignments that are coming up in the class and what assignments are due this evening at 11:59 p.m. So first of all, I wanted to go over the announcement that was emailed to you yesterday. And if you're having problems finding that email, you can just refer to the announcement page in PED 118, and you can see our new week 3 prescribed workout routine and week 3 cardio workout. So here is the workout listed here that I want you to perform this week. I advanced some of the amount of reps for you to perform here. And I would like for you to perform the Monday, Wednesday, Friday workout. And I have a bonus challenge here. So can you perform a 5 double push-up burpee? Okay, so that is incorporating the push-up element to the burpee. This is a bit grueling for me as we go through the workout, but I wanted you to each to try it and see how it is and make a note of it when you complete your log for next week. If we look here at the cardio workout for week 1, for week 3, I'm sorry, you can see here this week I upped the intensity and the duration of the workout, where you are going to be performing a 45-second sprint and a 60-second jog, and I increased the amount of sets from 6 to 7 that you are going to perform of these. So this is your weekly workout routine. Remember, each workout should have the goal of being completed within a 1-hour time span. So make sure that you are completing these, all the exercises here that I have listed and the cardio workout to receive the maximum amount of points on each weekly log that you submit. Okay. All right. Okay, looking at tonight, remember that you click on the course resource tab and remember to complete the exercise log 2, and that is due tonight at 11:59 p.m. Okay, complete that. Also remember tonight you also will need to complete the video quiz for the burpee. Okay, and I would encourage you, before you take the quiz, to click on the course resource tab and the exercise videos, click on the burpee and watch that video and then take the quiz, because that will show you the proper form and technique on how to perform that. If you have any questions in the course or the assignments that are due, please reach out to me. Also, please be as thorough as you can when you're completing each exercise log. Provide me with a great deal of detail and thought into what you are listing there for your routine, because every week I'm going to expect more detail from you. I know we're just starting off in this class, so if you're not going to provide me a great deal of detail, you will actually start to lose points as this course goes on. So please pay close attention to that. I hope you have a great week. Good luck with your workout routine, and reach out to me with any questions or concern in the class. Thanks. Bye-bye.